Okay, so now as you saw that our player is dying when the enemy hit it, now we will add a health bar to our player. So right here we will create a canvas and we will name this as gameplay canvas because we will show the kill count right here and the enemy health right here. So name it as gameplay canvas, and right here we will change this to screen space camera, and right here we will attach the main camera, and we will change this to scale with screen size, and then right here we will type 1920 and 1080, and we will change the image to 0.5. That's it. And also change the sorting layer to UI. In here we will create a canvas by the name of player health canvas for this player health. Now if we see the canvas, okay, it is right here. Okay, sorry, I'll just delete this and add a slider, and we will name this as player health. So as you can see, this is the slider. Let's just move this right here. At the top we will show the slider right here. Let's change it width to 250 and its height to 95. There you go. So this will be our, so let me just move this right here. Now let's set the anchor to top left. That's it. And as you know, we will delete the handle slide area, so simply delete it. And we need to select the fill in the background, and we will change the source image to none. And sorry for the background voices because there is some construction working going on, so don't mind that. And right here we will change the fill color to, let's just say, red, as you can see. Now click on the background. Okay, its source image is set to none. Click on the player health. Right here we will change the max value to 100, and we will set this to 100 as well. And now let's set the fill area to right here, and let's resize the fill area like this. Okay, so now if we click on the player health, and let's go back. Okay, click on this film of this, and now if we change the value, okay, select the background and move this a little bit to the right side, and now if we check it again, okay, it looks better now. Now we will add a icon image right here. So for that, in the UI we will add a image, and we will name this as player icon image, and right here we will add the icon. So in the sprites we have this icon right here, so just drag and drop it. Right here we will set the anchor to top left. So now if we move this icon right here, and as you can see, so move this a little bit right here, and we will change the width to 150 and the height to 120, and that's it. After this we will have a UI text, so select this text and this will be enemy kill count. Let's set it to the top left and let's move it right here. Let's align the text to the middle and change the width and height. So we will do this 600 and the height to 105. Right here we will change the text to enemy killed and by default it will be 0. Let's change the font size to 50. Right here we will select this font, which is this one, last draft. That's it. And let's change the font size to 70 and let's change the color to white, as you can see right here. Now let's just open up the player health, and right here we will type using Unity Engine.ui, and right here we will create a serialized field and then a private slider, and we will name this as health slider. And as we did the same with the enemy, we will do that right here for the player. So we will say health slider dot value and this will be equals to health. So now just save this and get back to Unity. Now select the player, scroll down. Right here simply just drag and drop this right here. That's it. Now if we scroll up right here, click on apply all. Now if we play the game, okay, first let's just click on the player health and move this value to 100. Now save it and now let's just simply play the game. And now when the enemy tried to hit us, as you can see our health is decreasing by 4. And also if we shoot the enemy, as you can see the enemy is now dead, but we need to work on this kill count, so don't worry about that. And now let me show you one thing which is remaining when the enemy kill us. Okay, as you will see now, when the player is dead we destroy the game object, and now the next thing we want to do is to restart the game.